And the name of our topic is describing things. Describe means to explain, to tell about things. When you talk about something, it means that you are describing that thing. When you say something about anything, that is called describe. Like here is the lesson, my big blue boat. My big blue boat. So in this lesson, we are going to study about adjective. What is adjective? It is in grammar, we say adjectives to those words that describes or explains a noun, tells more about noun, tells more about noun or pronouns. This is called adjective. Adjectives are the words that add something, some meaning to of the noun, that explains the noun or that tells us more about the noun. Like here, my big blue boat. Here we can only say my boat, but why we are saying my big blue boat? Because we can understand more about the boat. We are going to know about more about the boat. The boat is big and it is of blue color. The boat is big and it is blue in color. So these are two words, describing words. You can say these are two adjectives because they are telling us more about the boat. They are telling more about the noun. My big blue boat. Here in your book, you can see the picture of the boat. It is big and the color of the boat is blue. These are two adjectives that is telling us more about the boat. Say this poem, do the actions. Say this poem, do the actions. Okay, now we are going to start this poem and we are going to understand the meaning of each word. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Ride means when you sit in some vehicle to move from one place to another, that is called ride. That is called ride. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. So what does the poem says? Come. Come means come here. Come to me. For a ride. For a ride. Why he is calling you? He is calling you to come sit in the boat which is blue and big. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Means come and sit in my big blue boat. My big blue boat. Understand? Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Come for a ride means to come and sit. Ride means to sit in a vehicle to move from one place to an other. Okay. My big blue boat, my big blue boat. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. In these three, the lines are repeating. The lines are repeating again and again like this. Come for a ride, my big blue boat. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Out on the deep blue sea. Come on the out on the deep blue sea. What is the meaning of deep? Down, Amik. Deep means blue sea. The color of the sea is blue, where there is lot of water. If you will sit like this, you will go down. That is why it is called deep, or in Arabic you can say amik. Okay. Come on the deep blue, out on the deep blue sea. Sea means bahar. Blue means the color of the sea. Understood? I will read the first paragraph again. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Come and sit in my big blue boat. This means ride means we are going to move from one place to another. Okay. My big blue boat, my big blue boat. Come for a ride in my big blue boat. Out on the deep blue sea. Deep and blue is also here adjective because it is telling us about the sea. It is telling us more about the sea. My big blue boat has two red sails. My big blue boat has two red sails. These, look, these are called sails. And how many are they? One, two. Red, red sails, two red sails, and the color of the sails are red. My big blue boat has two red sails. Two and red are also adjective words. Two red sails, two red sails. Two red sails, two red sails. My big blue boat has two red sails. My big blue boat has two red sails, two red sails. Okay, here are some sentences that are being repeated, like come for a ride, come for a ride. My big blue boat has two red sails, two red sails, two red sails, two red sails. The same sentences are repeating again and again. Here, my big blue boat, my big blue boat. Here, again, my big blue boat, my big blue boat, my big blue boat. These are all the sentences that are being repeated. Understood? Okay. Question number 2. Draw a sailing boat. What means sailing boat? A boat which can move in the water. It is called sailing boat. A boat that can easily move in the water is called sailing boat. It is called sailing boat. You need some crayons. Tell your partner how to draw a sailing boat. Choose color you like. Okay, take out the pencils, boys, and draw a big green triangle. First of all, what you are going to do, you are going to draw a big green triangle. I will draw with you, boys, but you have to also draw with me like this. We are going to draw a big triangle. This is a big triangle. Okay, if you want, you can choose a green color also to draw a big triangle. Okay, draw a big green triangle. Draw a big green triangle. Okay, number two, what they are showing, draw a blue line down the middle. Now you are going to draw blue line down to the middle here. Okay. Wait, I will draw again. So those who have joined with me now, so they will draw with me now. This here and here. This is my triangle. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide it with a, draw a blue line down the middle. So I'm going to draw in the middle a blue line like this. Okay. Draw a long rectangle, red rectangle. What is the color? Red. So here, done. This is our sailing boat. Okay. Draw like this, and this is our sailing boat. Okay, moving on to number 3. Describe one of the things. Can you partner find it? Red big shoe. Red big shoe. This is a red big shoe. If I say a small red shoe, small red shoe. Okay, now I'm changing my description. I am saying long black shoe. Long black shoe. Look here. Ultimately, when I'm telling you something in detail, you are going to understand it more clearly. That is why we use adjectives to tell more, to describe more. Here, here are airplanes, or you can say jets, small yellow jet, small yellow jet. When I'm going to say big yellow jet, big yellow jet, small yellow jet, or you can say small aeroplane. When I am telling you the description in detail, I am telling you everything, the size also and the color also. You are going to understand it more. Okay. Now we have blue car, small blue car. This is a description. So, like this, you can understand more. You can understand more. Okay. Now we are going to see a presentation in which we are going to discuss about adjectives. We are going to discuss about adjectives. What we are discussing, adjectives. And what are adjectives? The words that describes more about noun. Okay, noun or pronoun, these are called adjective. Here is the definition. An adjective is a word that describes the size, color, shape, mood, etc. of a person, a thing, an animal, or a place. Example of adjective: yellow, big, smaller, best, strongest, fast, green. These all words are adjectives. Like this, you can see, find the adjectives. A yellow sun rose. A yellow sun rose. What is adjective here? Yellow. A yellow sun is an adjective. Yellow sun is adjective. The small boy cried. Who cried? Small, small. Okay. Small is adjective. The boy cried. Which boy cried? We don't know. When we are going to say the small boy cried, it means the one who is short in or who has small size. Number three, the girl painted a pretty picture. Girl painted picture. Which picture she painted? Pretty. Pretty is adjective. Pretty is adjective. Adjective, it is telling us more about the picture. The old man wrote a long, boring book. Old, long, boring. These all are adjectives here because they are telling us more about the book. Book is a noun, okay? Book is a noun. The man is also noun. Wrote, verb. Green grass was shining water under the big yellow sun. Green grass. Green grass was shining under the big yellow sun. These are all adjectives. A car drove on a long, wide road. Long and wide are adjectives. The boy threw a small ball over the roof. Small is an adjective. What was the size of ball, boys? The small size of the ball was small. Okay. Now see here, there are some adjectives. Classroom, encrypted word, tall, best, strongest, green, running, smile, stable. Find the adjectives. Here we are going to know that what are adjectives. Word tall. Look here. Tall is adjective. Best is adjective. Strongest, green, running, smile, table, water, river, wild, excellent. They are adjectives. Laugh, go, am, orange, and strong are adjectives. Like this. Okay, here. A boy, a big boy, a bigger boy, the biggest boy. All these are adjective. Big, bigger. When we are making comparison between two things, the biggest means superlative. Nothing is more, no one is more bigger than this boy. So we used biggest. So big here is an adjective. What is here? Big, an adjective. How do adjectives work? Tall, taller, tallest. Sweet, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. This we have already done in our comparison lesson. Okay. Long blonde hair, short blonde hair. Short and blonde are adjectives. Long blonde are also adjectives. Adjectives, what are adjectives? That describes more about the noun. Understood?